what's up, guys? I'm checking out D-Train, Something's on Your Mind, requested by You Sexy MF on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. I've not heard this one before. D-Train, though, from what I recall, like his tracks are very, very well done, especially on the production side of things. But yeah, haven't heard it. Pretty excited to check it out. That being said, let's go ahead and get into it. That's different. That hits different.
I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me. Just stay on the line. I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me. Girl, stop wasting time. I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me. Just stay on the line. I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me. Girl, stop wasting time. You've been acting kinda strange on me lately. Is there something on your mind? I seem to get that feeling every time I'm near you, that I'm running out of time. How can you walk away and leave me hanging? Just leave me hanging on. I know there's something going on, you just can't hide it. Now tell me that I'm wrong. Love is the feeling together now. You and me, girl, you can say what's on your mind. We can talk it over there. There's no need for you to hide what you feel inside your heart. Something's on your mind. Just lay it on the line. Tell me something's on your mind. Tell me, girl. Just lay it on the line. Girl, so wishy-washy, sticky situation that you're taking me through. But baby, I can't imagine what I'd do without you, girl. Let me know if someone else is taking my place inside your heart. Don't disappear on me without a trace. Don't you know I believe that something's on your mind.
This is the jam, man.
I believe that something's on your mind.
Not bad, man. Not bad at all. And yeah, that was very, very nice, man. Really enjoyed that. Sheesh, man. Just the overall just vibe and feel like that's definitely just a jam right there. Groovy track, you know. Couldn't stop moving really to it. And yeah, the overall just vibe of the track, production wise, it wasn't really too like production heavy or anything like that. It was quite simple on that like aspect, but like the overall song itself is definitely a jam, man, no doubt. But if you guys enjoyed the reaction, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.